Hello, this is Albina and we'll show you how to make this simple but elegant necklace. But first we'll prepare the nylon cord by melting the ends. Please check out the description to my video. I will put a list of materials I was using under that video. So we will place the large focal teardrop bead in the middle. Next, place the crystal on a head pin and use your round nose pliers. Just roll the head pin towards the crystal. Doesn't have to be fancy because we'll make a cluster and nobody will see how perfect or not perfect your loops are. So make 8 of those. Then place 4 beads on each side from the focal bead. So we have 8 red beads. Push them down like a cluster. Next, we will add 6 more beads. I'm alternating red and blacks on both sides and push all the beads towards the center like this. Next, I will do a knot on each side to secure the beads from moving. Also, it gives you a kind of design. I'm using tweezers to knot my cord. Repeat the same step with another side of your necklace. So these knots holding the beads from moving. Now I'm adding 2 more red beads on each side and secure them again with a knot. The last knot you will see I will make without using the tweezers. This is another way to knot the necklace. After knotting, it's time to finish the necklace. So I'm using cord end. Place the cord inside the cord end and using the bend nose pliers or chin nose pliers, fold the halves one by one. When you squeeze one half, it's already secure, doesn't go anywhere. Fold the second half as well. Using the jump ring, connect cord with a clasp and extension chain. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comment, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.